We found Tuvok, our friend. Are you fighting with me? With a stick, we're wrestling now. Okay, I'm gonna get the stick in the middle. Okay, you ready, Tuvok? You ready, Axel? We are sworn enemies. We are out on a mission. Whoever wins the stick wins the world. Tuvok, sprinter for all. Axel, security. Who will win against the monster stick holder? Oh! Okay, I'm gonna pull. Get ready, boys. Here we go. Oh, you're getting me, Tuvok. You're getting me. You're ferocious. Ready? Oh my God! Oh, you got it! Tuvok wins.